Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I have another diamond painting that I completed. It's the Van Gogh vase of, what are these? What kind of flowers are those? Sunflowers. Okay, and of course I got my bling on it, and I mean it is shiny. I can't hold it so y'all can see the bling, but it's cutting up. Okay, and this has so many wrinkles in it, just like the other Van Gogh painting I did, because they were packaged up together. And where the wrinkles are, that's where the drills kept popping off, and I had to keep redoing it. So I got two more in this set that I bought. So I guess they're going to be the same way. So I'm about to cut the border, the whole border off, and put it in my completed diamond painting portfolio. And I used these wipes. I didn't use baby wipes because they got some kind of solution on them. I used these dry wipes and I wet them. Same stuff I use on my face, just like this Clean Skin Club wipes for my face. Just wet them. So I wiped all the waxy residue and everything off, and then I sealed this. I always seal my paintings even though they're going to be stored in a portfolio. And this is what I use. I get this from Amazon. And I'll put the link of everything I use for diamond painting in my description box. I mean, people have told me about Minwax or something to seal the paintings with, something in a blue can. But I'm going to finish using up these two bottles first, then I'll try other people's suggestions. Okay, I'm about to cut this border off. I've already rolled it out and I sealed it. So it's ready to go in the album, my other ones. I always cut close to the drills without cutting the drills. And I don't make a logbook of the paintings I do, so I don't need to save this border with the key. And I appreciate those of you all who actually watch my diamond painting videos, because not many of my honeys do. So I appreciate those who watch and comment. Not everybody is into this, and I understand that. Y'all mostly want to see me cook. This is my newest hobby, and I'm really into it, and I love it. My second oldest daughter, she just got into it too, and she completed her first diamond painting a few days ago. She loves it. Her sons think it's so lame. Teenage sons. They don't understand. If they tried it, they would like it too. I've seen some men on YouTube that diamond paint, and they're good at it, excellent, very good at it. I ain't mad at them. It ain't just for women. Who says it's just for women? It ain't. My daughter plans on framing her diamond paintings and hanging them up. But I got so much other stuff on my walls, no room. And I do it just for the enjoyment of it. And it's very relaxing. Believe it or not, it is. Oh, somebody asked me about the board that I was working on. They may have been talking about this one, or she may have been talking about my light box. I assumed she was talking about my light box, so I gave her the information for that. But this is a lap board. I usually do my nails, put a silicone mat on top of this and do my nails on this. I got the wrist pad. This is padded, so it's soft in your lap. So I've had this for quite a while. And it has a carrying handle. I mean, it's nice. What's the name of this? Sophia Sam. Sophia plus Sam. That's the name of it. Nice weight to it. It's nice. And I use it for a lot of things. Okay, this is going in my completed diamond painting album. Somebody else asked me about these diamond stickers, so I put the link in my description box under diamond painting accessories. These are my completed ones, y'all. Okay, this is a Van Gogh, you know, the Starry Night, and this is a Van Gogh. I don't know what you call this. Vase of sunflowers. That's what it is. So I'm going to put it in here, and this is a top-loading portfolio. And it fit my 30 by 40 paintings. So far, that's the only size that I do. Okay, I got a label. I bought a pack of labels. See, I'll be listening to y'all. Somebody suggested that I tell when I finish. So I don't have the exact dates, so I did label. This is what I got, the little sticky labels. So I don't actually stick it on my artwork. I stick it on the plastic outside of it. So I gotta find the ink pen so I can label when I finish this. So I'm putting this here. So I finished this in June of 2023. Finished it in the wee hours of this morning. What's today? The 11th? I think it is. So this is my artwork portfolio. It makes me feel good to know I did this. A new hobby I picked up. And it took me about 3 days to do this last one. It takes me about between 3 and 4 or 5 days to finish each one. That's another reason I haven't tackled a larger diamond painting. Because I want to get in there and get through. Okay. So, I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay, bye. Thumbnail. Okay.